Hello guys, welcome to Heavy Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video I want to give you updates and almost pretty much everything that we have done for Heavy Crypto Scanner. And if you don't know what Heavy Crypto Triangular Scanner is, well, this is a scanner that scans triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on crypto exchanges. So let's say if you want to take advantage of triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity on Bitget or Get.io, well, this tool will scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities for you and give you the best triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. Heavy Crypto Scanner has been updated and right now is supporting almost 20 major crypto exchanges, and this is actually amazing because you can actually trade multiple crypto exchanges and scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on all other major crypto exchanges, including Bybit, Bitget, Binance, and KuCoin, you name it, right? So right now is actually supporting a lot of major crypto exchanges, and we have a lot of things coming out like an app. For those who are using an iPhone, you're going to be able to use this Heavy Crypto Scanner using your iPhones as well. And of course, in this video I'm going to answer your most asked questions for Heavy Crypto Scanner. So if you're already a subscriber to this channel, then I'm sure you have watched a lot of live trading videos, because I recorded a lot of live triangular videos of me trading on multiple crypto exchanges using this tool, right? So a lot of people actually ask me, how much can I make using this tool? Well, so the answer is simply, it depends on the market, right? As you can see, Bitcoin is very volatile and stuff like that, and this is the reason why we find these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. So it depends on arbitrage opportunities. So let's say if this tool scans for 15% triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity, well, then you can actually take advantage of that triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity and make that 15% profit. And a lot of people ask if this tool can give you a loss. Well, the answer is no. This tool will never give you a loss because it works in real time. So all the triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that is giving you and showing you, these are real time triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that you need to take advantage of. So we have developed an app, and this app is available on our Telegram group and stuff like that. And those who got this tool early are gonna have access to an app as soon as possible. But if you wanna get this tool now, well, then you're gonna get the tool and you're gonna get the app for free, and this is lifetime subscription. It's not like monthly subscription and stuff like that. You're gonna use this tool forever and ever as long as you're still in our system. So the tool to this link is gonna be in the description below, as well as on our Telegram group. So the other thing is, we have a lot of scammers on this space, guys, and I've seen a lot of people complaining that they have been scammed. Well, what I'm gonna tell you is you should avoid those scammers that DM you trying to negotiate a deal with you. Well, I'm gonna tell you that this tool, we always update it, right? We always update it each and every week. So if a scammer comes to you and trying to make a deal with you, well, you should know that these guys just want to take your money and they're gonna go with it, and they're not gonna help you at all. So in this kind of situation, there's nothing you can do because we don't see you in our system and stuff like that. So speaking of triangular crypto opportunities, well, this tool is going to actually give you the best triangular crypto opportunities on each and every exchange that you want to scan. So let's say if you want to take advantage of Get.io or Bitget, well, this tool is going to actually give you the best triangular crypto opportunities, and that's why you have seen me making live videos right here trading triangular crypto opportunities and take advantage of triangular crypto opportunities using the tool. It actually gives you best triangular crypto opportunities from 10 to 30% within a single day. And this is actually amazing for someone who want to start or who want to accumulate more cryptos on this crypto space, all right, because this is a crypto based tool. So let's say if you want to grow your account, or if you don't want to take risk and trade derivatives, or if you don't want to buy cryptos and hold and stuff like that for a long term, well, I think this is actually a good way to make money on internet, because all you have to do is to scan for arbitrage opportunities and then take advantage of these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. I mean, you can actually make a lot of money from our scanner because it runs 24/7. So it works 24/7 and it's gonna give you best triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So of course, right now I wanna answer your most asked questions on the internet, right? because you guys been asking these questions, I'm just gonna put it right here so that each and everyone can see right here. Okay, and guys, I mean, these are most asked questions that each and every member of Heavy Crypto should know. So someone asked, does it work on PC and Android? Well, this is actually a good question. The answer is yes, this scanner works on PC and Android because our new updated version will actually do a greater job. So it doesn't actually matter whether you're using on phone or on PC. Now followed by this question saying can I use it on multiple devices, and the answer is yes, because you're using it on PC and you're using it on Android, and yes, you can actually use it on multiple devices as well. I mean, if you mean like can you use it on other phones, like let's say if you have two phones, can you use the scanner on both phones, then the answer is yes, as long as you're still in our system. So the following question is, can you use a scanner online on PC without downloading anything? And the answer is no, you have to download the software, because we all know that for you to use the software, you have to download the software and install it in your phone or in your PC. So you have to download the software, then you can actually use the scanner. All right. And the other thing is we have tutorials for this scanner. All right. So if you get this scanner, you're gonna have a bunch of tutorials and how exactly you can install the scanner and all that stuff, and how exactly you can use it. You can use the scanner, so you get pretty much everything that you need to know, and you're not gonna struggle and stuff like that. Now the following question is, how can I download and make payments? The link to the scanner is gonna be in the description below, as well as on our Telegram group, right? So if you go to our Telegram group, or just ask there, just type how can I get the scanner and stuff like that, you're gonna get help and stuff like that. Or if you don't want to go to Telegram group, just click the link at the very top in the description below as well. So another question is, how many signals can I get per day? So we all know that these crypto exchanges have a lot of pairs, right? So this scanner will give you hundreds and hundreds of signals. So it depends on you, which one do you want to take advantage of. All right, so let's say if you want to take advantage of Bitgate or Get.io using a Heavy Crypto scanner, it's going to actually scan all pairs that are available or listed on these exchanges, and then it's going to give you the best triangular crypto opportunities that you should take. Okay, so how do I get the software after payment? Well, you get the software via email, right? Because when you're making payments, you put your email there, you put your name and stuff like that, and then this is how exactly you get the software. All right, or you get the app, and moreover, you'll be added to a private Telegram group. That's where you can learn pretty much everything about the scanner and stuff like that. So our next question is, how do I get it set up? As I said earlier, everything is in order. You get help and stuff like that if you are struggling to set it up and all that. Okay, and it's actually simple, because all you need to do is to install the software, and that's it. Now there's what is the minimum I can start trading with? And this is actually a good question, all right, because the more profit you use to take advantage of these triangular crypto opportunities, is the more gains you earn. All right, so let's say you have a $100 account, right, and you're trying to grow this account. Well, this scanner will scan triangular crypto opportunities and then give you profitable signals. Okay, and these signals have specific percentage. So for example, if it gives you 8% profit, it means that you'll make 8% profit after taking advantage of that specific signal. Okay, so let's say you have $100 and you make 10% profit. Well, it means that you have just made 10% out of $100. Okay, now let's go ahead. So what is the minimum I can start trading with? So the answer is you can actually trade with any amount. You can actually trade with less than $20, right? So let's say if you have $20, you can actually use our scanner, and it's going to give you profitable signals, and you can actually make money using our signals. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to give you updates and all other bunch of stuff. And if you want to watch our live trading videos and stuff like that, because on this channel I've made a lot of live trading, guys. I mean, you can search on the internet, you're never gonna see a live trading and stuff like that video, right? Because on this channel I give you legit stuff, something that's gonna benefit you and all the good stuff. So if you haven't watched this video, well, I made a video, I was trading live right here, and I was using a capital of at least $80, if I'm not mistaken, and I made like $4 profit and stuff like that. So I was taking advantage of Bybit, and I made this video right here. I was taking advantage of Get.io using a same scanner. So if you want to learn more about this scanner, make sure you watch our live videos right here. I was trading live, and that was me trading right there and all other stuff. So if you want to take advantage of these triangle crypto opportunities, again, the link is in the description below at the very top of description, right? This is it. My name is Arthur. This is how exactly you can make payments. I made this video telling you how exactly you can make payments to get this heavy crypto scanner. So if you're struggling to make payments, watch this video right here. It's gonna help you do this. And guys, if you really want to take your trading game to another level, don't forget that we have Heavy Crypto Academy. Heavy Crypto Academy is a platform where we tell you pretty much everything about trading, right? So if you want to learn about futures trading, technical analysis, and all other good stuff, make sure you check out Heavy Crypto Academy. Okay, so this is it. My name is Arthur. These are just like my short videos. I make these short videos each and every day, telling you about my $300,000 long position on Bybit and all other stuff. Because I'm a day trader, guys, so I have to give you some TA and tell you what I think the price of Bitcoin gonna do next and stuff like that. And we're gonna continue uploading these short videos and all that good stuff. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Thank you for watching, guys. You're really helping the channel, you're really supporting the channel. I want to thank each and everyone who is using our tool, and you guys really support the channel, and I really appreciate that. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, my friends.